Hey everybody, it's Dr. ELO again. Welcome to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about Ecamm Live. So I discovered one new trick that can help you save CPU usage. Alright, so let's get in it. Hit that intro. Alright, so let's go into demo mode. You can see what I'm doing. Alright, so now we're gonna go into scene and put this empty scene, right? But before you do that, enable to have a real empty scene with a background. Gotta go into Ecamm, preferences, and you see this right here. It says blank. Usually it's defaulted by camera or screen share. You go to blank. You're gonna be able to hit that scene, and it will come up empty. All right, and the reason that we're going to use it empty is because it saves your CPU usage. So if you want to put something else around here, like a call to action, and you're going to have your camera right here on the side, it's going to save a lot of memory on CPU usage while you're doing your live stream or while you record.